Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you my Mumbai haul, and everything is here on the bed. There are gifts that I got on my meet and greet, there are things that I shop, and before this video and this intro gets too long, I'm going to jump in to my haul. I'm going to start with my New Beauty Center haul because this is the things that I'm most excited about. New Beauty Center has 3 outlets in Mumbai. One is in Khar, one is in Oshiwara, and one I think is in Crawford Market or Kandivali. I'm not really sure. But I went to the Khar one and it's huge and it has so many brands and everything of those sorts. So I'm going to go in really quickly because I have a lot of packets. Like they have different packets and different floor systems, so I'm going to go through all the packets and show you what all I got. I got 3 products from Rimmel. I really wanted their Kate Moss lipsticks for a really long time and I wasn't able to get them in a lot of places, so I got 2 Kate Moss lipsticks. One is in the shade 103. The name of this lipstick is... okay, I don't know what's the name. Okay, I just know it's 103, and then I got 105. Both are gorgeous colors. I'm going to show you. 103 looks like this. Like, look at that beautiful color. It's gorgeous, you guys, and love the packaging as well. It says Kate with a heart. And 105, it looks like this. It's a gorgeous dusty rose nude shade. Then I also got the Rimmel Stay Matte Press Powder. This product is raved about, and I'm in the shade 007 Mohair. And this is what it looks like. Would match my skin tone perfectly, so I got that. Plus it has an embossed thing which looks so cool. The New Beauty Center person also gave me this powder puff from Moonfair. It generally doesn't come with the Rimmel powder, but they gave this to me, so I was like, fine. So yes, I got those 3 products from Rimmel. Then I got some Essence goodies from there, and they had this offer going on. If you shop for like 1200 rupees, you get either a nail paint or an eyeshadow free, and me being an eye makeup lover, I obviously chose the eyeshadow. But first I'm going to show you what all I bought. I got the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara. This is what it looks like. And by the way, for the pricing part of these, the compact retails for 230 rupees. They did have like a 10% off going on, I guess. And then the lipsticks retail for 275, but I got them for like 240 something. So yes, those are the prices. Then Essence Get Big Lash mascara retails for I guess it was for 299. Yes, this is for 299. Then I got their Essence I Love Runway highlighter. It's a pen highlighter. You have to like twist it and the highlighter comes in from here. I already have this sort of a pen from Vivo, but it broke on my first use, so I got another one just to try a new highlighter. This retails for 299 rupees again. I do believe this highlighter comes in 2 shades, but then again I'm not really sure, so I'm not gonna comment on that. But yes, I got this highlighter. Then I got the Essence All About Sunrise eyeshadow palette. It has 6 gorgeous shades. I'm gonna show you. Let me open it for you guys. This is what it looks like. It has gorgeous shades, and this retails for 399 rupees. Yes, so I got that. I haven't tried any of these things out, so I can't comment on the quality of these because I just unpacked. My flight was yesterday. I'm doing this haul before keeping everything in because then I don't have to, like, you know, arrange and rearrange. So I'm just doing it right away after unpacking. So yes, keep that in mind. Then I got the Essence Eyebrow Style Set. This is what it looks like. It has 2 shades. It has like 3 variants. One is very light, then is medium, and this is the darkest. I got the darkest one. I'm not really sure about the shade name as such, but these are the 2. Okay, I dropped the brush. These are the 2 shades that come in here, and it also has like an eyebrow shaping stencil behind, you know, these sort of things. It has eyebrow stencils, different sort of shapes and everything. So it has that at the back, which is really good. And I'm just gonna pick up the brush, and it has a small angled brush which is really cute. This retails for again 299 rupees, and it's really handy dandy, pretty cute as well. Then I got the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. This retails for 299 rupees again. The packaging is really cool and chic, really like it. Then with all my purchases, I got a free gift, which was this eyeshadow. You could choose the shade. I chose this shade. This retails for 199 rupees, and it's in the shade Yes I Can. It's a shimmer shade. Let me show it to you guys. This is what it looks like. Again, it's a gorgeous shade. Then moving on to the third packet, which is more of nails and eyelashes sort of a thing. I got some NYX nail paints. I'm gonna show you. 4 to be precise. Let me get the fourth one out as well. So I got 4 NYX nail polishes and they were selling them for 75 bucks. I was like, oh my god, I need to get them, because you know 75 is such a good price to get NYX in India. So yes, first shade was this one. This is named as Pastel Yellow. It's a beautiful, beautiful, pretty yellow shade, and the packaging is so cute and classy. I love the packaging of these nail polishes. The second one is Lavender. Again, a really gorgeous shade. The third one is Rose Whale. And the last one is Heaven, which is sort of a off-white color, which I really like. Now the guy by mistake put in another nail polish in my packet. I did not really buy it, neither did I pay for it, so I don't know how it ended up in my packet. So it is the BO nail lacquer. This was just like in a random box. I don't know how it ended up in my bag. This is the shade, and the shade name is I don't really know. I don't even know how much it retails for. This ended up in my bag out of miracle, because they, you know, they just keep bags, and the bags come up to the counter, billing counter all together. So I shopped from like 4 or 5 floors. So I don't really know how this ended up in my bag. Then I got some eyelash stuff. I got 2 eyelash glue. One is clear, one is black. Both are by Duo, and they retailed for 110 bucks each. So I got those 2, and then I got a set of lashes. These are by the brand Artmatic, and these retail for 100 bucks. The lashes are quite fluttery and full, so I got those. Looked really pretty. So yeah. Then I got some luxury stuff, so I'm gonna show you because I'm excited. I got some Ben Nye eyeshadows, like 3 of them. No, actually one is contour powder. This is a contour powder in the shade number 1. This retailed for 750 rupees. This is what it looks like. It's a really ashy tone brown, perfect for contouring. So yes, that's from Ben Nye. Then I got another eyeshadow from Ben Nye. This also retails for 750 rupees, and it's in the shade Celestial Blue. Gorgeous blue shade. Love, love, love the shade. Ben Nye is not that freely available in India, and 750 rupees was a really reasonable price for their eyeshadow. The next one is in the shade Grey Stone. I am loving grey eyeshadows these days, and this one was just such a unique grey color. So yes, got those 3 shades from Ben Nye, and I actually went to buy the Ben Nye banana powder, but it was out of stock. So yes, I ended up buying another powder, but I'll show you that to you in a while. I also got the Ben Nye Media Pro HD Sheer Foundation. This retails for 1500 rupees. I'm going to show you the packaging. This is what it looks like. This is going to match my shade. It looks a little light on screen, but it's a bit darker than what it looks like. Not sure if you can see the shade, but yes, I am in the shade. It's like a cream sort of a foundation. I am in the shade Blush Beige. So yes, that's my shade. So because Ben Nye banana powder was out of stock, I ended up buying this Kryolan Professional Translucent powder. This is also a yellow sort of undertoned powder in the shade. Which shade is this? I don't know which shade is this. They don't have a shade name, I guess. TL4, I guess this is TL4, and this retails for 900 rupees, but I got it for like after a 10% discount. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is what it looks like from the inside. It's yellow base powder, and it's in the shade TL4. I got it for 810 rupees because there was a 10% off. And this tub is humongous. It is huge, you guys. This is 60 gram of product, and trust me, this is enough for a lifetime. Then I went to Alpha. Alpha is a pretty beloved market, like store in the Irla market in Ville Parle area, and all I ended up buying from there were these shoes, which they have put in a rubber band. Let me just take that off. These retail for 475 rupees, but they are so cute, and they are like completely plastic, so they are amazing for the rains, especially for Mumbai people, because they won't get ruined in the rains, and the rubber band just doesn't want to come out of it. So I'm not gonna mess with it. So this is what they look like. Aren't they so cute? They're like wedges and they look like this. So cute. Then I got 2 combs. One is this one from Brushman. I know you can get these in Delhi as well, but I was there, so I thought, why not? It has a mirror at the back as well, and it's really soft and nice. I got a miniature version of this as well. Like, it was just this big, and it's with my mom, so yeah. So I really needed a new paddle brush, so I thought I'd get this one. I already have 2, but those are old now, so new baby right here. And then I got this Roots tail comb brush. It has a really pointy edge. It retails for 70 rupees, but I got it for 54 rupees because they had like a 20% going on. And I got this one for 300 rupees. Its MRP is 300, so I got it on MRP. But it's really soft on your head because, you know, it's really soft. To continue my blue obsession, in the Irla market itself, there was like a street vendor sort of who was selling slippers. So I got these one. These retail for 150 rupees. They have glitter on the strap thingy, and these are wedges again and perfect for rains, and 150 was so cheap, so I thought I'd get them, and they look super cute for a daily sort of a college wear thing. Super cute. Then in the Irla market there is this Prince store, and they had amazing necklaces just for 150 rupees, so I was like, grab them baby. So I got 3 pieces for myself. One is this black one. I'm gonna take them out and show to you guys. This is what it looks like. Let me just put back my hair and show you. Looks so classy, right? And 150 rupees, that was unbelievable. I wanted to get more pieces, but you know, they look kind of similar, so I ended up not buying them just for the sake of it, that you know, I don't need similar pieces. Something different would have been better. But yes, they had an amazing collection going on. The next one is this one. It's a turquoise necklace again. It looks so good. It's a statement piece. You can pair it with a black dress, white dress, normal t-shirt, anything that your heart desires probably. And then the last piece, which is also the first piece that I selected, is this blue one, which is a bib necklace. Looks like this. Has so many gorgeous tones, and love the color. I love royal blue, as you would have probably guessed by now. And yes, this is what it looks like. Then I went to Linking Street in Bandra and I got some handbags. There was this street vendor who was selling all handbags for 200 bucks, so I was like, oh my gosh. So I got 4 handbags. First one looks like this. It's a quilted sort of a bag with chains and handles like these, and it's quite spacious. It has like a click button on top, and it's perfect for college. It's really spacious and huge, so I got that. It does say Kenneth Cole reaction on here, but I'm quite sure that's a fake one. But nonetheless, I really like the bag itself, and 200 bucks is not bad, man. I mean, even if I use it for, you know, 2 weeks, I probably have like extracted all the money out of it. So I got that. Then I got this pink bag, which is very unusual. It has like a long strap as well as like a hand strap, and it has these zips, and it opens from the top part of the zip as well. So it opens up like this, which is really chic, so unusual and so chic, and love the shape of the bag as well. It's a very boxy, briefcasey sort of a bag, so I got that. Then I got this bag, and it's a really soft bag, and the material is pretty soft, I mean, and it has a flap at the back, and the front looks like this. And I love the shape and the color of this bag, and it can be opened like completely from side to side, which is really great because that gives you a lot of space to work with. And lastly, I got another purple bag. It looks like this. It has a clasp right here, which you can open, and then you have a zip right there, and then you can put your things in there. With that, whatever I bought gets over. Now I'm gonna show you the gifts that I got on my meet and greet, which is the most exciting part. So I'm gonna start with this dress, which Poonam gifted me. Thank you, Poonam. And I am not really sure of all the names, so if I mess up anyone's names, I'm really sorry. So she gifted me this beautiful dress. It has a Aztec-y sort of a print on it, and it has a keyhole at the back as well. I love the colors. They're really summery and perfect for summers. So I got that dress from Poonam. Then Yamini gifted me this Karen Millen highlighter in the shade Gold 513. It's a beautiful highlighter. I mean, it's gorgeous, you guys. It looks like this. I can't really show you because then it will fall out. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys to see. Look at the gorgeous highlights. Love it. It's so beautiful. Then Nikita gave me these earrings. These are really chic. I really like them. These are like this, like oopsies. The earrings look like this. They have triangle, like interlock triangles, and you know, I don't know what to call this, like a circle on top, and would look really pretty on the ears. You can wear it with something edgy. And then Aparna gave me these handmade paper quilt jewelry, which I love. It's a gorgeous piece. Thank you so much, Aparna. I am in love with this piece. It is so gorgeous, you guys. It has sunset colors like maroon, orange, yellow and white, and it would look just so gorgeous hanging in there. They also have matching earrings which are equally gorgeous. Let me show you. Like, look at those babies. My heart is melting. Like, I mean, wow. Paper quilt jewelry is so gorgeous and precious because of the hard work that goes into it. So thank you so much, Aparna, for these beautiful paper quilt jewelry. Then I got this green tea from China and this pouch. I'm really sorry I forgot the name, but the person who gave me this also messaged me on Instagram. I would write the name somewhere here because I'm really thankful for this. It looks so cute and the pouch is so cute as well. So thank you so much for the beautiful gift. Then I got this Cadbury Celebrations box. You know me, guys. I love chocolate and I love receiving chocolates. And I also received this beautiful and amazingly heart-touching letter from Haram, Naila and Hira Sheikh. Thank you so much, all three of you. I love you guys so much. Then Ruchi gave me these two tops. Well, one of this is for Komal from My Happiness, but I'm going to show you both because so first one looks like this. It's a beautiful gorgeous printed blue top, looks really pretty. And the second one is also really pretty. It's a pink top with some lace crochet sort of detailing on top, and both of them are really flowy and gorgeous. So while I was editing my haul, I remember that I forgot to show you two things. One was this mini comb which I talked about, and it also has like a mirror at the back. This was for 135 rupees, and I got all the combs from Alpha as well. So yes, that's that. And then there was this gift that was given to me by Priyanka. It's a beautiful photo frame. I'll show you in a second. Look at the beauty of this photo frame. It's all wood and it's so gorgeous. Like, even without a photo, this looks so pretty. Really like this one. I'm gonna hang it up in my room real soon once I get a perfect photo for this. So I love this photo frame. Yes, with that I complete my Mumbai haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to wow, that came out really weird. Do not forget to follow me on all my social media. All my social media would be in the bottom bar, along with an address where you can send me letters and things, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.